इस जड़ जगत के प्रेम और चित जगत के प्रेम में क्या है? इस संसार में जो हम लोग माता पिता भाई बंधु पुत्र परिवार के साथ जो प्रेम दिखाते हैं, उस प्रेम के साथ और इस जगत के प्रेम के साथ वैशिष्ट क्या है? पार्थक्य क्या है?
Hare Krishna Dandavat Pranam. As we are discussing from the Prem Samputa Granth, and we are discussing about this love, what is the difference between the material love and the spiritual world. So the materialistic love is combined with the three modes of natures: mode of goodness, mode of passion, and mode of ignorance. It is not that there is no love in this world, but the love is mixture with these kinds of these three modes of nature. And this love is temporary. Today it is present and tomorrow it may not be. In this world everything is changing. So Maharaj is telling, my hairs also became white, from black to white. And every day we see our face in the mirror, but when your hair turns into white, we will not come to even know. But one day everything will change. So this material world is temporary and always changing. So in this material world everything is changing. And love in this world selfish. Love in this world is selfish. So many people say we do Niswarth Seva, selfless service. But no one is there like that. Everyone has a feeling, at least I will attend heavenly planets, at least I will go to some spiritual planet. So there is a selfish with everyone. So they may say, I am serving with selfishness, selflessness. But in a subtle way, in his heart, there is a desire to go to heavenly planets and so many others like this. So, in this world, whatever love, affection are there are filled with svakam, selfishness. Selflessness, love. After all the anartha nivritti, the love which arises towards the Godhead, that is called pure love. So on this standards, this Prem Samput Granth, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is mentioning here. In this material world, whom do you love? Can you tell me? Your mother, father, brother, sister, relations, everyone. But practically, so we love their soul. We should never, we are not loving the soul, we are loving their body. Example, when a person dies, when we touch the body of a dead person, we feel him as unpure. Once the soul left the body, we take bath. By seeing the dead body, we take bath. So, what is this love? This love is for the soul.
इसमें जो प्रेम का हम लोग यथार्थ में हम जो प्रेम करते हैं, प्रेम की यही कहा जाता है भगवान के साथ।
So the love is always with the God. In this world also we have to love father, mother, sister, brother, relations, everything. This is called materialistic love. Until and unless we live in this body, we love the relations.
सारे विश्व के लोग कहाँ आते हैं? वृंदावन में आते हैं। अब तुम सन्यास लोग कहाँ जाओगे बताओ? आप बताओ, काशी में जाओगे फांसी लगाने के लिए? है कि नहीं? इस संसार में चलो हम जिस कदम पर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, ये अपराधिक जगत में वृंदावन की जो प्रेम कहा जा रहा है।
In the transcendental world, the love which is mentioned, the gopis,
देखो वो गोपियां कृष्ण के प्रति ऐसे प्रगाढ़ अनुरक्त थे,
those gopis towards Krishna, they had a very deep attachment.
वो किसी राग के तुझे कहती जा रहे, राग के प्रेम के परिभाषा का ही श्रवण किया जाता है।
And they are mentioning about rag. Yesterday we heard the meaning of this rag.
वो प्रेम क्या होता है? और भी सर्वथा सर्वथा ध्वंस सत्य को भी ध्वंस कारणे जब भाव
सर्वथा ध्वंसरहितं सत्यपि ध्वंसकारणे यद्भावबन्धनं विन्योस प्रेमा परिकीर्तितः. When the deep emotions that binds a young couple does not break, despite many reasons for it to do so, it is called prema. सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिरादिर गोविंद सर्वकारण कारण. The Lord's body is Chit Sharir, which is not destroyable, which is not breakable. So when you go to the transcendental world, even your body also will change to the Chit Sharir, transcendental body. So there is no destruction of this body. Even Lord's body is not destroyable, and even your body is not destroyable when you go back to the transcendental world. So in the transcendental world there is no such thing called destructions or death. But in the material world there is death or destruction. So in the material world, if there is destructions, there is a creation. Again there is a creation, there is a destruction. If there is a creation, there is a destruction. And in the transcendental world, since there is a transcendental and eternal, there is no destruction or there is no creation. So Maharaj is telling, today, tomorrow, after thousands and thousands of years, one day this world also will get destroyed. But the transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan Dham, There is no destruction there. So it is called Nitya Nava Navayaman Jagat. Nitya means ever fresh, ever new. Navayaman, new. So by listening this, you will not understand, or so how this fresh and always new, how it can be happen? In this material world, there is 3 times. One is past tense, one is present tense, another is future tense. In the transcendental world, there is only one tense, present tense. That's all. Always new, 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 new. When we speak one word, the time is going. Every second, the time is swinging. So in this word, there is no present tense. Tell me where is the present tense in this word. When you tell present, the time is passed already. But in the transcendental word, it's always fresh and new. Only present tense. Maharaj is telling, how is this? We cannot understand it. By our mundane sense, we cannot understand this. When you go back to the transcendental word, then only you will come to know all these things.
देखो ये जो मैंने ये गुलाब फूल है, गुलाब पुष्प है, वो विकसित होने के साथ ही साथ धीरे-धीरे क्या कुछ समय के अंदर मुरझा जाती नहीं जाती, किंतु चित्त जगत में ऐसे नहीं है, सदा सर्वदा है, वस्त्री भागा, सुगंध गीता,
The transcendental word, it is always eternal, always attracted towards Krishna, beautiful fragrance. So the transcendental words, Harikatha, whatever we are telling and whatever you are hearing, we cannot understand this practically. Theoretically, we cannot understand this theoretically. But when you go to that word, practically you can understand when you go back to the transcendental word. Now we are hearing the Harikatha. So these are transcendental vibrations, whatever hearing. This Shabda Brahma, this Aprakrita Shabda Brahma, and it will destroy all kind of anarthas in your heart. Shrunvatam Satatam Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtana. The Lord's nectarian stories, if you hear, that is transcendental vibration. With pure-hearted Sant Mahatma's lotus mouth, if you hear Aprakrit, transcendental Harikatha, if you hear this, whatever the impurities in our heart and whatever the anarthas is present within us, everything will be destroyed. Nothing do, just listen from the pure devotee. Punya Shravana Kirtanam. Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Nashta Prayeshu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. By doing the service of Bhagavat, everything will happen. What is Bhagavat Seva? Hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, reading Srimad Bhagavatam. This is Bhagavat Seva. And one more Bhagavat Seva, Bhakta Bhagavat Seva. Doing the service of the devotees of Lord. So in Gita, what Bhagavat is telling? Pariprashnena sevaya. Tadviddhih pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. Upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. Tattvadarshi Jnani Mahapurush, one who has realized the God. A person who has realized the God.
ये हमारे उत्तर देना आपको पड़ेगा, ऐसे नहीं, वो तुम्हारे नौकर नहीं है, वो तुम्हारे नौकर नहीं है, ये हम पर पैसा दीजिए महाराज गुरुदेव, आपको मैं 10 लाख रुपया दे रहा हूँ, हम जो कहेंगे आप वही बोलो। क्या गुरुदेव इसको निकल नौकर क्या है? इससे भाग क्या था? मेरे गुरुदेव का दे दिए, कैसे प्रश्न करें? इसने भागवत गीता में स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया। तद्विद मैंने
So, how we should ask, how we should question, how we should to know the transcendental thing, what we should do? Go to a person, tadviddi pranipatena
कैसे प्रश्न करना?
pariprashnena sevaya. How to do question with Sant Mahatma. Oh Gurudev, if you think that I am qualified to speak this question or hear the answer from you, I want to ask this question. If you find that I am qualified to ask a question, and if you find that I am qualified to hear the answer of this question, please be merciful unto me, and can you please tell me this? He may tell you the answer or he may not tell you the answer. That depends upon him. But this is the way we should approach. Tadviddi pranipatena. There are three lakshans, three symptoms. Tribhuj, teen. In the tribhuj there is, in the triangle there is three corners. What are the three? Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj used to tell this in Bengal. What is the three? Pranipat, Pariprashna and Seva. These three things, please remember. Pranipat, Pariprashna and Seva. Pranipat means offering the obeisance and being humble. Considering yourself humble and meek. And asking, Hey Gurudev, Hey Vaishnava Thakur, Hey Sant Mahatma, if I am qualified, can you please answer my question? Can you do mercy unto us? We should be very humble. So it is called Tadviddi Pranipat. So we should very humbly ask the spiritual master. And everything depends on his desire. If he desires, he may reveal. If he did not desire, no problem. That is his desire. You should understand his heart. So Maharaj is telling a story. When Maharaj was studying 5th standard or 6th standard, teacher was having a scale or a stick, very long stick, and he used to beat from the place where he was sitting. So asking the question also, you should be qualified to ask a question. And one who is answering the question, he will also give in a three-way. Tadviddi, Pranipat, Pariprashna, Seva. So this is written in Gita. Not that you stand up and say, Maharaj, you should tell this. No, it is not a good ethic. So we are hearing this Prema Samput. Lord Krishna himself coming in the form of Devangana, heavenly damsel, and asking about Srimati Radharani. How he is asking? Even Lord Krishna very humbly he is asking at the beginning of the Prem Samput Granth, Hey Devi, if you find I am qualified, please mercifully tell me the things. If not, there is no problem. Because understanding the answers is not everyone's adhikar. Sevaya.
ये तीनों हमें देखना ये वास्तव में वो प्रश्न सुनने की जरूरत है कि कोई आकर के मुझे बोले महाराज आप बताओ नया आए हैं उसके भी कोई पक्का ज्ञान नहीं है कहते महाराज ये रास कृष्ण के साथ गोपी से रात कैसे हुई दिन में हुआ कि रात में हुआ और कहाँ हुआ कैसे रास हुआ.
Many people come and ask Maharaj, oh Maharaj, what is this Ras? And when this Ras happened, morning happened, night had happened, how did it happen? So many questions they ask. But first we should know, does he knows Vacho Vegam Manasa, the first shloka of Udeshamrit? Did he read the Tadvidhi Pranipati in shloka? No. He does not know all these things, but he will just ask Ras Leela. So this is beyond his qualification. Tarika. So questioning is also a way. So sometimes Srila Gurudev, Srila Vamandev Goswami Maharaj, Maharaj is telling we should hear this Bangla lecture also. So Maharaj is telling, I am not telling anything. Whatever my Guru Varg said, I am telling that. Even Parikshit Maharaj asking the question like this, Hey Gurudev, hey Brahman, please do not consider my offense. I am qualified to ask this question or not? If there is a fault in my question, please mercifully accept it and give me the answer if you consider that I am a qualified. Even in Srimad Bhagavatam it is asking, Snigdasya Sishyasya. There is a shloka in Srimad Bhagavatam like this. Snigdha, Nirmal, Nishkapat. So, Snigdha, Nirmala, all these qualities if Shishya have, the Guru will automatically manifest everything in him. No need to ask question also. If these qualities are there in a disciple, Guru will appear, manifest everything in his heart. He will tell everything.
वास्तव में ये प्रश्न तो परीक्षित महाराज के नहीं था, दूसरे की था, किंतु अपने जगत की शिक्षा के लिए पता उसमें भी कह रहे हैं हमारे गुरुदेव कह रहे हैं देखो कितने दैन्य करके बता रहे हैं.
So very humbly Parikshit Maharaj is asking. Srila Vamandev Goswami Maharaj used to say this.
उसी प्रकार यहाँ पर भी स्वयं देवांगना.
So here also Devangana, the Krishna in the disguised form of Devangana. So he's coming in the form of Devangana and he's asking the question about the love. Tell me about this love.
ऐसे एक भाव के द्वारा
सर्वथा ध्वंसरहितम सत्यपि ध्वंसकारणे यद्भाव बंधनम युनो सप्रेमा परिकीर्तितः. When the deep emotion that binds a young couple does not break, despite many reasons for it, it do not so, it is called prema. So in the transcendental word there is no word of this dvamsa, destruction. So Vishnu Chakravarti Pad is telling, wherever there is creation there is destruction, and where there is a destruction there is a creation. So this word, universe, is created. Where there is a word creation, there is also a destruction. So one day or other day, this world also will get destroyed, and we all also get destroyed. But in the transcendental world, there is no word called destruction. Even destruction, there is many kinds of destructions. Nitya pralaya, naimittik pralaya.
नहीं प्रलय के बाद में नहीं ध्वंस भी देख प्राप्त ध्वंस ये सब ध्वंस के बारे में भी हमारे जी को सिर्फ विचार किया बहुत दिन से सब रिवाइव नहीं करने से भूल जाते हैं महाराज जी पढ़ते रहते आपके कुछ सुनाते मैं जो कर रहा था स्मरण होता है इसको प्राप्त ध्वंस कहा जाता है ध्वंस किसको कहा जाता है ये समझ में बहुत विचार बेचना
So in the Jiva Goswami Path Sandarbha, there is lot of these things mentioned. How many times of destruction and many things you have to remember. All these things are mentioned.
ज्यादा तत्व में जाओ तो तत्व में रह जाओगे फिर प्रेम में प्रवेश करना बात इसमें रस में प्रवेश करना बहुत कठिन हो जाता है इसलिए कहा ज्यादातर जो लोग ये होते हैं केवल तात्विक होते हैं तात्विक समझते तो नहीं
लॉजिक
नहीं है माने जो तत्व में प्रवेश करते जाते हैं वो लोग अधिक रूप में जो है ये रस बात कथा में प्रवेश करना नहीं चाहते।
So one who is tatvik, they will not enter into the ras vichar. Even Jiva Goswami Pad, although he was a tatvik, he also presented this ras tattva very beautifully, and he also commented on Ujjwal Nilamani Grantha, and so many commentaries he has written, ras tattva. And Jiva Goswami also wrote many different kinds of ras madhurya granths. Toshani, Laghu Vaishnav Toshani. He also wrote the commentary. Sanatana Goswami Pad, also Sanatana Goswami Pad's Toshani. So the Sanatana Goswami Pad scriptures he wrote Tika commentary. Who is writing? Jiva Goswami Pad. What he wrote? Bruhat Bhagavat Vaishnavi. Bruhat Toshani. Bruhat Bhagavat Toshani. So Maharaj is telling, if you enter into the tattva, you will not able to enter into the ras vichar. But Jiva Goswami, although he has entered very deep into the tattva, he also has the qualification to enter into the ras vichar. And the Madhav Mahotsav, he mentioned everything with ras vichar. He named it as Madhav Mahotsav, but festival is happening to Radharani. So if you read this book, it is so beautiful and you will feel so bliss. So Maharaj is telling that Jiva Goswami Pad is also Tatvik and is also Rasikachar. Tatvik means situated in the Tattva, and Rasikacharya. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he also wrote so many commentaries on Raghunath Das Goswami's books. More about the topics of Srimati Radharani's Ekantik Nishta, one-pointed devotion towards Krishna. The Mukta Charit Grantha, Raghunath Das Goswami. Although there is many tattva, all the tattvavadis cannot manifest the ras vichar. But Jiva Goswami Pad, although he is expert in tattva, he is also expert in ras vichar, both. So who is the speaking here and who is listening here? Srimati Radharani is speaking, and who is listening? Shri Krishna Swayam in the form of Devangana, he is listening.
बहु बाध्यते जल खलु तत्र प्रचन्न ब्रह्मत्वं च साध्य विधो दुर्लभता काल मनोभक्त परमारति उच्च निर्वण में
बहुवार्यते यथा कलो यत्र प्रचन्ना
ये समस्त
कमुकत्वं च यचा मितो दुर्लभत्वा सा मन्मतास्य परमृति. So this parakiyatva rasva, there is this sharp weapon. What is that? Prachanna kamukata, durlabhata, manmatasya paramarti.
ये जो चार जो है अमोघ अस्त्र बताए ये ब्रजवासियों ने
So these four are the weapons, and these are the speciality of Rajvasis.
सुंदर वर्णन करके जा रहे हैं संग राधा जी
Srimati Radharani herself is telling to Krishna all these things.
ये साधारण चीज जगत की प्रेम नहीं है
So this is not a ordinary material word. This is the transcendental love.
जिस प्रेम की
That prema that is strongly objected to the society and religion, in which the lover and the beloved must hide their amorous desire, and in which loving union is difficult to attain, is called Manmata Sambandita Parampriti, the supreme passionate affection.
जो लोग भारत नाट्य शास्त्र आदि अध्ययन आदि करते हैं परिचय करते हैं वो प्राकृतिक नहीं के बने हो जाए तथापि हमें कृष्णदास कविराज के भरत मुनि नहीं जाने ये सब.
So Maharaj is telling, even the Bharat Muni does not know the ras vichar. Who is Bharat Muni? Bharat Muni is the father or the founder of the dance called Bharatanatyam. In Bharatanatyam there is all Nayaka and Nayaki, different kinds of steps, what kind of steps, what kind of all these things. So this is founded by Bharat Muni. Even the Bharat Muni does not know the ras vichar.
जिस प्रकार अंधकार में दीपक की उज्ज्वलता बढ़ती है उसी प्रकार प्रेम की बाधा आदि आकर के क्लेश आदि आकर के प्रेम की दीप्तता उज्ज्वलता और भी प्रकाश होती है. ये बाधा आदि कैसे जैसे अंधकार के साथ तुलना है किंतु दीपक की उज्ज्वलता कब होता है अंधकार दिन.
So all this pains and miseries or obstacles are known as darkness. In fact, multitudes of difficulties nourish prema rather than obstruct it. If the current of a quickly flowing river is obstructed, the water will overcome the obstruction and flow with redoubled force. Similarly, attraction for the beloved increases in proportion of the obstacles encountered. As a result, the force of that prema increases a hundredfold. And one more example is given. In fact, there are difficulties nourishes prema rather than obstruct it. How? Like there is a darkness in a room, and if you light a small lamp, this lamp will show the light to glow light towards the room, and how much ever dark it is, the bright this lamp will glow. And one more example Maharaj is telling, the Ujjwal Nilamani, the stone, the special stone, which if you keep that, it will be so bright, even the dark place will be brightened. So how much ever dark, this stone will emit the light from it, and it will be more and more brighter. Like and one more example. One more example Maharaj is giving here is, if a robber, due to the fear of this robbery and theft, when you go out of the house, you will put on the light and you will go. So the thief will not come near your house. He will think that someone is staying inside the house and he will not come. But if there is a darkness in the house, there is a chances of thief coming inside your house and robbing everything.
दरवाजा बंद तो है, किंतु वो झरोखा कहते हैं ना, उसके थोड़ा सा जो क्या बोलते हैं गैप जो है, वहीं से कहीं न कहीं रश्मि बाहर आएगा और देख करके चोर समझेंगे कि इसके घर में कोई
है
व्यक्ति है। अच्छा, बुद्धिमान लोग ऐसे करते हैं। मैं किसी के घर में देखता हूँ, भाई आपके इस घर में नहीं रहा, आप ये बत्ती क्यों जला दिया? भले बत्ती इसलिए जला देते हैं जो कोई बाहर के जो लोग हैं वो सोचेंगे इस घर में कोई है, और बत्ती नहीं, अंधकार है, तो सोचेंगे इस घर में कोई लोग इसे घर में दरवाजा खोलते हैं कुछ। उसी प्रकार प्रेमिक और प्रेमिका के हृदय में जो प्रेम रहता है, वो प्रेम की रश्मि कहाँ से प्रकाश होता है, कैसे प्रकाश होता है?
So the lover and beloved, so where the light emits from them, Maharaj is telling, from the eyes, from the body, and from way or the another way it will get emitted, the love will be emitted between the lover and beloved. So it is visible one way or the another way. It may be invisible in the full fledged, but in one way or another way you can experience it by seeing a person.
उसी प्रकार प्रेमिक प्रेमिका के हृदय में जो प्रेम है, उनकी आंखों से, वचनों से, नाकों से,
आंखों से, वचनों से, नाकों से, means आंखों से मतलब by eyes, by words, by nose, or any way it will be emitted. The love will be shown. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam.